Hello and welcome back to Building on a Budget Models. I'm Thomas and today we're going to be looking at my upcoming projects in conjunction with Kent Models. Now as you can see here, my next build is going to be the Mazda RX-7 R1 by Tamiya in 1/24th scale, but I decided, looking at the kind of accessories and other equipment which is available from Kent Models, that we would do this as a drift inspired build. The guys at Kent Models get some fantastic shipments of items from Japan, not only from brands like Tamiya but also well-established brands such as Fujimi and Aoshima, and I'll be showing you some of the features today which I'll be using on the RX-7. Firstly, many of the Tamiya Detail Up Parts series are available. I got this carbon fibre decal pattern, as you can see there, which I will be incorporating into the build. Next, the store has a huge range of wheels from companies like Aoshima. These Super Advan Racing wheels I think will give it a really nice sort of street look. We'll open them up and have a look. Again, there's instructions on the back for how to assemble them. Wheels are made up of two parts. You've got the main bit of the wheel in red, though obviously you'd probably want to paint that, and then the outer rim in chrome, which is nice as well. The tyres, you can see here, quite low profile, and they're branded Pirelli. And then finally you've got a decal sheet here, which is nice because these are not only decals for the wheels but also ones that you could put on your car, kind of tuner logos in both white and black to help them show on different colours. So I'll definitely be using some of those. Aoshima also do detail up sets such as this wing and custom parts set, as you can see here. Just like with the wheels, there are instructions on the back. Got two different styles of wing, nice and smooth on that, and this one is kind of double layer one. Rev counter, which I'll be putting on the dashboard. Finally, there's a single racing seat and steering wheel. Annoyingly, the seat doesn't have the holes for the seat belts, so you'll need to drill those out if you're going to do that. That's a nice looking wheel. This also comes with decals, so yeah, we've got another sheet of carbon fibre decal here, which is a nice addition, and then you've got the little dial for the rev counter there. So yeah, also I've got this Fujimi Overfender set, which will give a really sort of nice wide body sort of tuner kind of racer look to different builds. There are various different versions of this. I've got number 2. These are set up for particular models, however I think a lot of them are quite universal, and so you'll be able to use them in different places. This one, which is for the Toyota Vitz. This one here, which is designed for the Levin Torino. So you've got things like exhausts, which obviously would be universal. Here it does not have any name, so I guess you could use that with whatever. This one here is designed for the Cedric Gloria. Bit of flash on this one, unfortunately. So it's very square. Bit of suspension parts there as well by the looks of it. This one here is designed for the 300ZX. You can see here how it's got these panel lines that would go around the doors, which is a nice feature. This one here is for the Nissan Silvia Ks. A lot for this one, including spoilers, exhaust pipes. So yeah, lots of nice things on that. See here how it go around the indicators. Clear one here, which is for the Chaser Mark II. For the chaser here is these chrome ring mirrors, which obviously you could use with anything. Got these which are also for the Vits. These were very universal. I'm sure you could use these with almost anything. And this one here, which is also for the Vits. Some of these have got like little exhausts and things like that. And then there are also a little sheet of decals here, almost entirely in Japanese. I asked on Facebook and discovered that these are what the brands are. Kent Models recommend using putty, and I got this Mr. Hobby, Mr. White putty from there, which seems like it's really good. List of things which they also stock. Paint booth, they stock the Mr. Hobby colour range, the Tamiya colour range in both jars and cans, and then things like airbrushes, other new stuff like weathering items and things like that, high quality airbrushes, and then sort of building items, glue, things like that, paint booths, lots and lots of things. On Tamiya paint, I ordered this gloss yellow, which I'm hoping to use for the RX-7. I think it looks really good in yellow. So there we are, lots of great stuff to include with this RX-7 build. Really looking forward to it. Also going to do some custom decal work to go with it. And yeah, please stay tuned for the first part. Thanks a lot for watching. Please do like, share, comment and subscribe, and I'll see you soon.